Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making this tasty cherry tomato pineapple Pico de Gallo. The balance of savory, sweet, and spicy brings a tropical twist to traditional salsa. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine cherry tomatoes. I'm using a variety pack because the different colors make it more appealing. Then the same amount of pineapple, followed by finely diced jalapeno peppers, then freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll give a quick stir to blend the ingredients and transfer to the fridge until needed. Just before serving, we'll stir in some fresh chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our cherry tomato pineapple Pico de Gallo. Incredibly quick and easy to make, this is a delicious topping for your proteins. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!